Okay. All right, and who's the person who wanted to speak to me? Who wanted to speak with me? Oh, come forward. We have Sean and prosecutors. They don't have alert. Hi,
Hi.
what's going on?
Okay, I was in court this morning, kind of left a little unsettled. I know you had mentioned if there's anything that we need to be successful to come to the court or come to you and request that, so that's why I'm here. I'm having some issues with my attorney, but not so much.
Oh, no, here's the thing. Let me explain to you about attorneys. When people want to say something, the issues they're having with their attorneys, I require that the attorney be present.
Okay.
And just as though if your attorney wanted to say they had issues with you, I would want you to be present.
Absolutely.
So, we can see if we can have your attorney come back and then, okay,
Okay.
all
thank
right,
you.
sure, just have a seat. All right, Desiree Tina? Yes.
How are you today?
All right, how's everything going?
Good, thank you. Nice to see you, Judge.
Okay, what's going on?
My client's in custody, so she's not up here, but I did file a motion for an agreed bond. It's an MTR where she's remanded without bond.
All right, they'll bring her up.
Okay.
All right,
perfect.
thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
So everyone, just give us a moment. All of you who have clients that are in custody, the deputies are bringing them up. So everyone put some patience in your pocket, take it out as needed. Yes. I'm sorry, what? Yes, Deputy Laura has it. Yeah, I was like, "Ah, what's the brown bag?" Michelle, I was having a Brad Pitt moment. What's in the box? You know, some people thought that was the best movie ever, but I think it was just because what's in the box.
Okay. Can I approach her? Okay.
All right, James Katina.
All right. Good afternoon, Judge. I'm approaching off topic.
Yes.
He is set for a sentencing on Thursday.
Mhm.
He's in jail in custody. It's just a cap, not even an application for
Mhm.
probation. My father got into a civil issue, a civil matter,
Mhm.
and I'm helping him with it.
Okay.
And we're set for trial on Thursday morning.
Okay,
I wanted to see if I could get just a brief reset on Cantina, maybe for the following week.
when are you asking for it to be?
Maybe Thursday, the 18th,
All right, that's
or whenever.
19th is that, the Thursday.
Oh, then that Thursday, Judge,
All right, and is your client on bond or in custody?
in custody.
All right, Norma, on Katina, can you recall it for the 19th? All right,
Thank you, Judge.
you're welcome. Sure. Good luck.
Thank you.
There's no pressure because
You know what?
it's family. Oh, just 1 second. Have a good one. Okay.
Primera fila. Y todos tienen que ser chiquitos. Straight, straight, straight. Oh, I did.
Oh, Norman, can you let him know what it's about? Until like Thursday, you know?
So on that, Tina is trying to-
You have that, anybody back here? I'm sorry, top row at the back. Top row in the back. I give you the ticket.
All right, Katina? I'm sorry, not Katina. Tina,
Yes.
where did she go? Lefton. You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and where is Tina? Can never see on the computer.
Oh, I would be good to see you in person officially. Your whole family's here. So. And I'll
All
be
right.
here, but we're gonna get a bomb.
So everyone, if you all would not talk behind the court reporter, please. Court is calling 2020 CR 10018, State of Texas versus Desiree Tina. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state, for the defense?
Lauren left in for Miss Tina.
And are you Miss Tina?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the defense has filed a motion requesting a bond, is that correct?
That is correct, and it's agreed to, Your Honor.
All right, so Ms. Tina is on deferred adjudication, so she is entitled to a bond. And state, what have you all agreed to?
As far as the agreed to a bond, $15,000.
Okay. All right, and Ms. Tina, if you can raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Okay, Lieutenant.
All right. If you're able to make bond, who will you be living with?
With my father.
All right, and has he agreed to let you reside there?
Yes, ma'am.
And he's present here today, Your Honor.
All right, and where's her brother?
That's him with his hand up, and her mother's here also, as well as her stepmother.
All right, so just one moment. All right, so because you're on probation, the court is aware of the issues. So the court will grant your bond for $15,000. My other question is, are there any children in the home?
No, ma'am.
So who all is in the home?
Just my father, my stepfather, and myself.
Stepmother.
Stepfather.
Stepmother?
Yes.
Okay. All right. I will grant the bond at $15,000. You to reside with your father. What is your father's name?
Caesar. Lieutenant.
Caesar Tenner.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. we're off the record. So what is happening with the motion to revoke?
We would like to reset this for 30 days and come back in 30 days to see if we can reach a possible agreement.
All right, I'll bring you all back in 20 days.
Thank you.
Ms. Ferguson. On this case, can I have a 20-day reset? It'll be set for contested. If it turns out it's not contested, then you need to let probation know.
Of course, yes, Your Honor.
30th.
All right,
The 30th.
September 30th. And that will be at 9 a.m. And Ms. Ferguson, if you'll give them a reset form. Is
Thank
there
you.
anything else?
No, ma'am. May we be excused?
Yes, you're welcome. And for those of you who are waiting for a jury trial, we're just seeing if there's going to be another family violence prosecutor that is available to assist. And Laura, can you make sure that probation has their contact information?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Who is here on John Horton?
Scott Sullivan, Mr. Horton.
Court is calling 2024 CR 008361, State of Texas versus John Mark Horton.
Scott Sullivan, Mr. Horton, Your Honor, present and ready.
For the state. And are you Mr. Horton?
Hello.
Yes, are you Mr. Horton?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Counsel, have you received all of the discovery?
Yes, I have, Your Honor.
Did you review it with your client?
Yes, I did.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Horton, did you review the document entitled Application for Community Supervision with your attorney?
Yes,
Did you understand it?
yes,
And did you sign it?
yeah,
Did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney?
yes,
Did you understand it?
yes,
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
yes,
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Horton, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney?
yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes,
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 2, less than 1 gram, as a state jail felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
yeah,
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the
yeah,
court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
yes, I do.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yeah.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yeah,
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
yes, he has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Horton, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
I couldn't hear.
I'm sorry, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or
No,
placed you in
no.
fear to get you to enter the plea?
I'm sorry.
That's
He's,
okay.
his
Hard to
hearing.
hear.
Oh, no problem. Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No,
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
yeah,
Are you a US citizen?
yeah,
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney?
mm-hmm,
Did you understand it?
yes, ma'am.
All right. Punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. There's a $2,000 fine. State recommends community supervision. There's to be restitution to SAPD for drug testing. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes,
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, it is.
State, is that the plea?
yes, Your
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney?
Honor.
Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yeah,
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 150 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand that's a recommendation from the state and the court does not have to follow that recommendation?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Be contained in exhibit one.
Any objection?
No objection.
State, you may be excused.
Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? This document,
Yes,
did you
yes,
review that document with him?
yes,
Did you understand it?
yes,
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
yes,
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
yes, I understand.
Did you understand that today the state will not be calling any witnesses? They're going to proceed with just this document that's been presented to the court. Did you understand that?
Yes,
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to and stipulated to testimony. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, he's ready to do the community service. As the court knows, this court committed him to lifetime fitness. I think that the recovery.
Oh, lifetime recovery.
Lifetime recovery.
All right, lifetime fitness, I'm not doing that for anyone, unless they specifically ask for it.
No, you came back in great shape. I don't.
Yeah, you did.
Yes, lifetime, okay. I'll just get past that part. We're aware there's some conditions there with respect to, he's got a hernia right now, and I guess they can take care of him on the community service side. Now, this case has had so many different cases. I want to make sure I know where an order is and that I do address it. His son is here today. He is, to this point, I told him to take the position to stay away from the son because at one time there were some protective orders. And they might still be true today, and I think they probably are. His son is here, and his son wants him at home. He's available to talk to Corey if he'd like to. And this man is sober and cleaned up, and he's ready to go home and be able to be with his son. If you'd like to talk to him, he's available.
All right. How long have you, well, let me have you, well, you've already been sworn in. How long have you been sober?
going on 6 months on the 22nd.
All right, and what were your issues with your son that involved a protective order?
I drank a lot of beer.
Okay.
I,
No, it's wonderful.
No, I'm glad you're being honest.
yeah,
So you've been at Lifetime Recovery. Are you still at Lifetime Recovery?
No, I go to Club 12 now.
Okay.
I'm gonna be a member there.
Oh, that is awesome.
He's
So,
got and I think it's 120 days he has to go every day.
all right, where are you currently living though?
11302 High.
No. I mean, is it a
My
sober
house,
at your home?
yes.
And if I could, I'd just put in, while he's been there, his husband, his son has been staying with someone else.
Okay.
Because he went into that house when he came out of Lifetime about a week ago. And he went there and his son went out.
All right. And what's your son's name?
Jacob Horton.
So I'm assuming there's a protective order in place because you say because it was drinking. Now, there are a lot of people who drink, sometimes to intoxication at their home, but it doesn't result in a protective order. So. counsel-
That's what I was thinking. It may have been a condition of bond, or it may have been something got linked up from the days of the protective order on the misdemeanor, whatever the misdemeanor was.
All right, family violence or criminal
was-
trial division, does anybody know about a protective order he has where his son is Jacob Horton?
I think it may have been a condition of.
I don't know.
There was a misdemeanor for violating the protective. I think that's what it came from.
Well, what I can tell you, if the misdemeanor court, if there's a protective order there, you probably need to take it up with the misdemeanor court judge.
And I don't think they have.
No,
I'll check into it for him.
I've already cleared up all my cases. This is the only case I have.
And if that is the case, I'll verify this afternoon then.
Well, it's just that sometimes when there's a protective order, it doesn't matter if your criminal case has been cleared up because
Right.
protective orders are civil.
I agree.
Yeah.
And I wasn't
So,
sure if there was one.
I don't know if there's one pending or not, but what I can tell you is I'm not going to allow your son to stay with you if there's a protective order out there. That's a hearing for another day.
And I will hustle up and find it.
Okay.
Okay, please remember, sometimes on that soul stuff, they don't
Well,
invite us.
can I go ahead and just do my 6 months in jail? I'd rather go ahead and just go to jail and get it over with.
Mhm.
I'd rather do that, ma'am.
Well, let me
Because
just
my
ex-
son and me,
Let me explain something to you.
He doesn't have
even-
any place to go.
Here's the thing.
He's
let-
got his brother, but his brother doesn't like him.
Don't interrupt the judge.
All right, so this is what you need to listen. And I want you to internalize what I'm saying. It doesn't matter if you were to get 6 months in this case and go and do your 6 months time, you know what would still happen? If there is a civil protective order out there, when you got out of jail, that protective order would still be there and you all still would not be able to live together. That protective order doesn't have anything to do with the 187th District Court. It's a civil matter. A civil court probably enacted that. This case is a possession less than a gram case.
Okay.
I didn't put a protective order on, for you against your son or whatever, because this is a drug case. And there's nothing that would have come to me through a police report that suggests that that you even have children. This police report doesn't mention anything about you having children. All it mentions is that you were day drinking. So,
And by the way, Your Honor, he's said this several times, with so many other cases running around, I've never been able to determine that myself. But I can go to the civil side, and I think I should, and find out how I can advise my client on that. But with respect to this court, as I understand it, there will be no order of
well, what I can tell you is,
if it happens.
if there is a civil protective order, and if he violates that, guess what? I'm going to get a motion to revoke, and it's going to say that he broke the law.
No, I got time served on that charge, so that protective order went away as soon as I got time served.
Okay, here's the thing. Those are two separate matters.
I know it was a misdemeanor court 11, and the judge, he gave me credit for time served.
All right, but let me just tell you, protective orders are civil. They're not necessarily criminal. They only become criminal when people are violating them. Then you can get a criminal case for violation of a bond or protective order, but they are civil in nature.
But whenever I got the assault family bond with my son, they put a protective order.
Yeah. So that has absolutely nothing to do with
And they
this.
signed an affidavit of non-prosecution, I actually never actually assaulted him, but I was drunk and I was a fool.
Your Honor, if I could, I think what I need to do is, I think you can go through with this. And we've requested not to have that condition here, but we have to honor the conditions of a family court. I will do that for him and advise him specifically if there is or is not one.
Okay.
Daniel, like you said, Texas, honestly, I'm not seeing anything on the protective order. I see the violation of bond. I feel protective order case that's currently open. Not seeing the protective order. I'm kind of asking some protective orders can verify that.
Yeah. And so, and that violation bond protective order, that's a misdemeanor court.
Yes, sir.
So that needs to be handled with the misdemeanor court.
So I just don't know if there's an actual protective order that's not verified.
And I think that, if they did, I think they closed.
All right. So are you employed, sir? Are you employed?
No, I'm retired.
All right. Retired from what?
63 years old. I'm retired. I worked.
No,
at-
I mean, what did you do in
I
your past
worked at
life?
a restaurant, for 14 years, but, I can't work with a hernia right now.
Okay.
I got it in the county jail.
All right. The court then will find you guilty. Court will sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 3 years. There's a $2,000 fine. That will be probated. Restitution to SAPD for drug testing. $150 of community service restitution. And if he brings me proof of the herniated disc that he can't do community service hours, I'll figure out something else.
Okay. Oh,
There's going to be daily sober support meetings until further notice. Proof of employment or disability within 60 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Make sure he's tested for alcohol. Field visits. 1 time per month until further notice. Probation, is there anything else?
Would you like us to do a tap?
Yes.
Nothing else, John.
Okay, TAP evaluation. Follow all TAP recommendations. And probation, if TAP recommends inpatient treatment, we'll start with outpatient treatment. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
do you need anything else from her to be successful?
No, I really appreciate you having the opportunity to send me over there because the program is an excellent place to get recovery.
Oh, I'm so glad. I think it's a
It
great,
changed my life and my outlook on everything. So I've internally accepted that I can't drink. So that's a big plus for me.
all right, awesome. And if you ever feel like drinking, that's why you pick up the phone and you call somebody, okay? Even if it's to call probation and let them know. All right?
Okay.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal? You need to say yes or no for the record.
Yes,
All right, did you sign it?
yes,
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
yes.
All right, good luck to you. Probation is going to go over conditions with you. And once she's gone over conditions with you, you're free to leave.
Okay,
Thank you.
Really?
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Judge.
Are you here to try case?
No. I'm not.
Are you available?
I'm not.
I think you are.
I'm about to go over to the jail, unfortunately.
Ah,
I will be occupied. Thank you.
you're welcome. Yes.
Yeah, I love oil.
I'll never- You have my case? All right, who's here on Anthony Villarreal? Is he in custody?
Yes, Judge, she's downstairs.
All right, Norma, on this case? What is he set for? Let me see. Oh, yeah. Norma, I want this case called back and it's gonna be called back. Did they just start jury trial?
Yesterday.
All right, so I want this recalled back on no later than September 26th. That's when I want it. This is Adam LaHood, right?
Yes, ma'am. He just came in and checked in and said he's still in class.
Okay. And what page is Anthony Villarreal on? All right, thank you. All right, who's here on Aiden Martinez? All right, so last time we were here, labs are in.
Yes, Judge, labs are in.
All right, so has an offer been tendered?
Yes, ma'am.
And when was offer tendered? Was that just today?
It was at the last setting, Judge.
All right, so are we going to jury trial or is he accepting the offer?
At this moment, we're going to jury trial, Judge.
All right, so here's the thing. If you want to go to jury trial, that's fine. Your plea deadline date will have expired today. So after that, the court is not going to consider any plea bargaining agreements without good cause. Otherwise, you're going to have to plead open to the court. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so you're asking for a jury trial?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, how long will this trial last, guys?
Maybe
By 2 days.
2 days, Judge.
2 days. You want to set in on the,
17th,
I'm sorry,
17th.
yeah, September 17th?
Can I check my calendar?
No, there's no need to check
Okay,
calendar.
thank you, Judge.
We'll see y'all back on September 17th for jury
Judge,
trial.
We did have some motions that we wanted to have
Yes.
heard.
Mhm.
If this case is set for September 17th.
Yes.
We will not have enough time to comply with the defense counsel process.
Well, we are where we are.
So Judge, if I can tender a copy for the court? So the first thing we're asking for, Judge, is for the state to tender notice of this defense expert for the labs associated with the testing of the substance.
All right, State, do you have an expert you're going to call? I'm assuming that would be a yes.
Yeah.
All right, so
And if they can identify.
yes, if you'll let them know, give them a witness list and let them know who your expert is going to be. And defense has just, let me see. Were these done, these motions done today or?
No, ma'am. They're timestamped at the top. For whatever reason, it didn't print out on my copy, but
Yes,
they were,
okay, thank you. All righty. All right, so you'll need to give him your expert by the 16th.
So
additionally, Judge, we filed a motion to disclose all witnesses associated with the case. That motion was filed back at the same time as the other motions.
All right, witness lists. Well, actually, this may be easy for the state to do. So with regards to the witness list and the expert, State, are you all able to get that to them by the 13th, your witness list?
possible.
All right, so they'll get you your witness list and who their expert will be on the 13th.
Yes, ma'am. In addition to that, we have, we're requesting formal request of any sort of extraneous bad acts they intend to offer.
Okay,
We're, just for the benefit of the record, we're.
oh, we're not on the record yet.
Oh,
So I'm just trying to see what motions you have. And with the motion to suppress,
we understand that the court runs it with trial. We just wanted to let the court know we anticipate on asking for a motion to suppress, and we'll follow the court's lead, of course, on that.
awesome. All right, we're gonna go on the record. Court is calling 2024 CR 2402, State of Texas versus Aiden Martinez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state,
Andrew Harris Edelman.
for the defense?
Christopher Ramos and Paul Acevedo.
And are you Mr. Martinez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so the defense has presented several motions for a hearing with the court. First motion is for the state to disclose any expert witnesses. And the next motion is for a witness list. The state, you to tender those lists to the defense no later than September 13th by 5 p.m. And are you okay with them tendering that to you by email?
Yes, Judge.
Yes.
Then with regards to extraneous offenses by the 13th state, yes. And then the motion to suppress, that'll be carried with trial. Just let Judge Angelini know.
Yes, Judge.
All right, is there anything else?
One more item, Judge. It's my understanding as the state of the law regarding this substance, alleged substances, including marijuana and THC, it's my understanding that a substance that has less than 0.3% of THC does have a legal implication in a trial. As a result of that, we would be asking the court to, for maybe a copy of the jury charge that it intends to present to the jury, so we can start reviewing that and tailoring our defense for that, dealing with the 0.3% threshold that is, my understanding is part of the law. And in our review of the discovery, that information is not included in the discovery. I mean, the items were tested but I'm not too sure if from our review of the discovery, it's not entirely clear if that measure that has been quantified. In any event, we suspect it could be an issue for our defense and our presentation to the jury. So as a result, we're asking to see if the court will indulge us in presenting maybe a draft of a jury charge, or if I can reach out to Ms. Paulson and see what sort of jury charge might look
You
like.
you can reach out to Judge Angelini
Okay,
on the 17th.
okay,
All right.
all right, thank you, Judge.
All right. Is there anything else?
Stay.
All right. Thank you. If you'll give, go to Ms. Ferguson and she'll give a reset form.
Okay.
All right. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Just have a seat.
Thank you.
And then, once you sign the reset form, you're excused. And it's the court's understanding that you all have already done a acknowledgement of discovery. Is that correct?
If not, we'll knock one out right now.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Just give me a moment. Armando Garcia.
Garcia?
Not out here. It's a
So, Michael?
Okay.
So,
Judge, really my clients in the back.
Yeah, no.
all right, let me see if they're able to bring him out. If not, we'll take care of it. Seth McDonald.
He's up here.
All right, just give us a moment. Everyone, just be patient. I think a chief will come down and try. We'll sit. Oh, Michael Villarreal.
Hi, Judge.
Hi.
Did I, don't know what I'm walking into?
All right, who's here on Juan Miranda? All right, Norma, Juan Miranda is gonna be called tomorrow. Maybe there's a show, a warrant's gonna be issued. I'm sorry, not tomorrow. Do it the 12th.
Anyone else?
All right, Norma, you got the date for, Miranda? Miranda? It's, the 12th. Yeah, Juan Arturo Miranda. What page is he on, Norma? Page one. All right, thank you. No, please.
You're probably gonna.
And Michael, do you want to see the rest of the docket since you're here.
I will try to do what I can, Judge.
Thank you.
Yes.
Second. We'll be on the microphone. Is that right?
Oh, we're done with that.
All right, who's here on Armando Garcia?
Present, Your Honor. Garcia, come on up. I conferred with Mr. Garrett before.
Okay. So is this, contested? What's going on here?
Judge, he has the MTR, but he also has a new assault on a public servant, multi-count indictment. I have not looked at that. I haven't seen the body cam or any discovery on it yet. I need to do that before we can proceed on the MTR. I don't know why the MTR was kind of set with the word contested on it. But
Because there were unindicted cases and there's been unindicted cases since June 20th.
however, it has been indicted since then. In the past month, it's been indicted, so I need to look at that discovery. It's involving 2 police officers allegedly.
All right, and you are the attorney that's on that case? as well?
Yes, I'm on all of it.
So how much time are you asking for?
I'm just for the standard 30-day reset, Judge.
All right. Norma, on this motion to revoke, put it for 30 days for contested and make sure that his other cases are set at the same time. I can do October 1st.
I'm out.
Where are you going to be?
I'm gonna be in Austin on that day, Judge.
You really want to be?
Not particularly, but I'm taking that board certification thing on that day.
You're gonna be fine. So what date do you want?
How about the 8th?
All right, October 8th, Ms. Ferguson, is that doable? Yes. All right, we'll be back on October 8th.
All right, thank you, Judge. Thank you.
All right, thank you. There is one on there, but it's not- a good condition. All right, thank you. Now, may I have your seat? Yes. Oh, did you? Yeah, okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Bashan,
Yes, Judge.
Raymond Garcia, I'm sorry, Armando Garcia,
Yes, Judge.
it's 10-10.
Thank you. Contested or no?
It's contested, but maybe not.
You said Armando Garcia?
Yes, Armando Garcia.
He told me 10-8.
I thought you all agreed to 10-10.
10-8.
All right, Deleon. Armando Garcia, is it 10-8 or 10-10?
I heard 10, how about 8?
All right, 10-8.
10-8 is.
All right, 10-8, Norma.
Thank you, Judge.
Well, thanks everybody for clearing that.
I'm not playing cards.
Yeah.
All right, who's here on Munoz?
I am Judge.
Are you confirmed?
No, we could do that later.
Okay, Munoz.
Johnny?
You have to pick her.
Is this gonna be a sentencing?
We're gonna ask for a reset for a PSI and a sentence, and there's no application for probation, but since it's a big cap, I'd like a PSI if you don't mind.
All right, so I'm more than willing to do PSI, but if you would like, what we can do is I can reset it not so far off.
Yes,
And you can have chance to bring in witnesses, and then all I'll need is the criminal history, if y'all want to do it that way.
he wants to get this done quickly, so that'd be wonderful.
All right, so we'll bring it back quicker, because otherwise it will be a longer setting. Okay. All right, everyone, could you all not talk behind the court reporter? Just ask the deputy, they'll move you down there. Court reporter, hi. I can't see you around the computers, but are you okay with doing two cases at once? Okay, it's the same defendant. If not, just let me know. All right, court is calling 2024 CR 007361 and 2024 CR 007359, State versus Johnny Abel Munoz. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Danny Westfall with the state defense. Adrian Pettis for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Munoz?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, have you received all of the discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Munoz, in each of the cause numbers, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, in the cause number ending in 6-1, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, the state's reading count 1 and 2 on count 2 and 3, and then we are proceeding otherwise.
All right, any objection to the waiver of count 1?
No, Your Honor.
And you're proceeding on the deadly weapon allegation
Yes, sir.
and the repeat offender allegation.
Yes, sir.
And then in the cause number ending in 5-9, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge, the state's proceeding on count 1 and 2, and then we're waiting 3 and 4, and then otherwise proceeding as presented.
Any objection to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
And state you're proceeding on the deadly weapon allegation and also the repeat offender enhancement allegation?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Munoz, did you review the documents in each cause number entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Just one moment. All right, and the cause number ending in 6-1 and counts 1 and counts 2, you're charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. If the state is able to prove up the enhancement, your range of punishment will be anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in 5-9, you're charged with aggravated assault against a public servant in both counts. If the state is able to prove up the repeat offender enhancement allegation, your range of punishment will be anywhere from 15 years to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
And each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand?
Yes.
By entering plea bargain agreements in each of these cause numbers, you are giving up those rights. Did you understand?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, in each of the cause number, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Munoz, in each of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
All right, on the one off the record, the one in ending 359, if y'all could just put in here the counts that you're proceeding on?
Yes, sir. All right.
And for that one, you all said you're proceeding on 1 and 2.
Yes, ma'am. I just finished on that.
All right, we're back on the record. And cause number ending in 6-1. According to the agreement, the state is proceeding on counts 2 and 3. Your punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 40 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. There are no applications. This is run concurrent with 2024 CR 007359. They're taking in consideration 2024 CR 007370 and 2024 CR 5164. Off the record for a moment, please. And then also in the cause number ending in 6-1, you're to agree that you've been previously convicted of a felony before for purposes of enhancement. Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement under that cause number? Defense, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
And if I can have the other one back.
That's all.
Okay, thank you. Right, and then in 5-9, according to the plea bargain agreement, the state is proceeding on count 1 and 2. Punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 40 years in the prison. You're to agree that you've been previously convicted of felony, 1 or more, for purposes of enhancement. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. There are no applications. This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 007361. The state will take in consideration 2024 CR 5164, 2024 CR 007370. Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement and that cause number? And each of the cause numbers, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counselor, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then in cause number 2024 CR 007361, how do you plead to count 2? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? And to count 3, how do you plead? And to the repeater enhancement allegation, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
And cause number 2024 CR 007359, how do you plead to count 1? How do you plead to count 2?
Guilty.
How do you plead to the repeat offender enhancement paragraph?
True.
State, any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
No objections.
All right, in each of the cause numbers, did you review the waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering these pleas, what that means is that the state will present evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and judgments, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony at this phase. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right. And the cause number in 6-1, court will find there sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty of count 2 and count 3. The court will find the repeater offender enhancement allegation true based upon your plea of true and based upon states exhibits 1 and attachments. And the court will review cause number 5-9 for sufficiency. All right, this has 1,000 officers at the scene that are listed. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments and cause number 2024 CR 007359, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will find you guilty of count 1 and count 2. The court will find the enhancement true based upon your plea of true and based upon states exhibits 1 and attachments. All right, counsel, how much time do you need?
I'm thinking 2 weeks, Judge. We're gonna have. I would like ample opportunity to argue at sentencing. So I would think 2 weeks would be more than sufficient.
All right, Norma, if we recall this in 2 weeks, where would that put us? All right. All right, we'll bring you back on September 24th at 9 a.m. And state if you'll just give me a criminal history.
Your Honor,
Yes.
do you mind terribly if we make that the 26th?
All right, Ms. Ferguson, can you put it for the 26th? All right, we'll bring you back on September 26th. At that time, I will hear whatever evidence that is presented to me, and I'll base my decision on your sentence based upon, of course, the evidence that's already been presented to me and anything else. You understand? All right, do you have any questions about anything? All right, we'll see you back then.
All right, Johnny, I'll see you in 2 weeks. Okay.
No PSI. Sure, no problem. Bashan, on Munoz, there's no PSI. All right, could I see the officers who are here for search warrants, please? And if you'll just make your way around this way. Oh, sure, no problem. Sorry for the delay. As you can see, you were
Now, and, I'll probably go second. That's why. So regular degree that has. Get someone. Actually, up to the degree. And then the whole hearing. Intricacies. I'm just. Okay. I'm sorry. Now you- But I had to stay another time.
All right, who is here on Stephen John Rose?
I am, yeah.
Yes.
Your Honor, we're pretty close to a resolution and wants to talk to his wife. So I'm gonna ask.
Wait,
court to-
where's Stephen?
He's right there. He's right
Come
there.
down, Mr. Rose.
And, we'll bring him back on Thursday, Your Honor.
All right. Right, so how old are you?
41.
You're 41? You're gonna have to make decisions on your own. Let me just tell you what I would always tell my client. When their parents wanted to say, oh, this is what we should do, you know what I would always tell the parents? It's fine that you're giving that suggestion. And if my client wants to go along with your suggestion, they can. But if they go along with your suggestion and something bad ends up happening, are you able to raise your hand and say, I'll take the hit for that? So
I mean,
discuss with your attorney. That's where we are, okay? All right,
No, so I'm not clear, Your Honor. You want him to,
discuss things with you and we're gonna decide what we're gonna do with the case today.
oh, okay,
All right, thank you.
okay.
Maestas, there's two. Are you all ready? Maestas and who? Okay.
Two cases under two different names. And
All right, I
we're,
don't have a case for Chapa.
that's
I
the,
have Daniel Maestas. I don't have.
That
Is he
one?
pleading on Chapa?
no, Your Honor.
Oh.
That
he
one was
pleading-
just indicted, so we're taking care of this one too.
So we're just going on 2024-0270.
Yes, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, court is calling 2024 CR 0270, State of Texas versus Daniel Maestas. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state,
Daniel Espark with the state of Texas.
for the defense?
Catherine Valenzuela.
And are you Mr. Maestas?
Yes.
Counsel, have you received all of the discovery?
Yes, Your Honor, I have.
Did you review it with your client?
We have, yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Maestas, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision with your attorney?
yes,
Did you understand it?
yes, sir.
And did you sign it?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, I believe there's an amendment.
All right. State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge, we're gonna amend the indictment, using this from a third degree felony, ADI family second to a ADI family class A.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? All right, off the record for a moment. Adrian, can you take him on the back row? I see that their attorneys talking with their clients there. So if you could just take him on the very back row. All right, we're back on the record. Did you understand that the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family violence as a Class A misdemeanor?
Yes, sir.
Range of punishment is up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bear County Jail. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, sir.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 1 year in the Bear County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe so.
Mr. Macias, has I'm sorry,
Yes, sir.
Maestas?
Yes, yes.
Mestis. Has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Anyone promise you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. All right, are you all applying for deferred adjudication or no?
No, it's probation.
Thank you. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family violence. Punishment is to be assessed at 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. State recommends community supervision. They're taking in consideration County Court Cause number 722476. State?
Yes, Judge.
Oh, okay. I see you. Are you aware of this?
No, Judge.
All right, if you all want to step back and discuss that.
Oh, this is the new one that was just filed. Yes, we were aware of it. I was discussing this with Zachary. And that's why we're not doing anything with that.
Oh,
at the
okay,
time.
this is just.
Yes.
Oh, no problem. All right, we're back on the record. They're taking in consideration County Court Cause number 722476. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes.
And did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent? Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Outside the agreement, I'm sorry, counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, there has not.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years and there be no contact with Veronica Medellin. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offense of assault, bodily injury, family violence as a Class A misdemeanor, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
State officer exhibit 1 in all cases.
Your Honor, my client and I have reviewed states one. We have no objection.
All right, did you review the document entitled waiving consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, my client has been in custody for 4 months on this case. We're asking for, he wants to do probation. He believes he will be successful and we're asking the court to follow the agreement.
How many children do you have?
11.
11? What are their ages?
34 to 6.
I'm sorry, what?
34 years old to 6.
No, I mean, what are their ages? Yeah, 34.
28, 26, 25, 15, 13, 10, and I got twins that are 8, and then my little girl, she's 6.
All right, that's 10.
And twins, I got twins that are 10.
No, I counted the twins.
So it's one. I think I got confused.
I got two older daughters, which is 34 and 28,
Okay.
and then my son is 7.
And how old are you? Are you employed? So how do you support all of these children?
I work.
Doing what?
Remodel housing.
And what with the tattoo?
I got it a long time ago. I got it a long time ago.
Yeah.
It's, yeah. Well, that's it.
We know, right? All right, this is what the court is gonna do. Sentence you to 1 year in the Bear County Jail, suspended and probated for 2 years. Affirmative finding of family violence. Taking into consideration County Court Cause number 722476. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular UAs. There's to be no contact with Veronica Medellin. And there's to be no contact with Elaine, Elaine Rodriguez. There's to be partial GPS. And that's for work only. There's to be proof of employment within 30 days. And there's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Gang supervision. And if he's not accepted into gang supervision, which he should be, then I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Ms. Abrams, is there anything else?
Judge, is there a timeframe we want on the partial GPS?
Until further notice? And then it'll be the BIPP course. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I needed a 30-day reset for his other case. And this will be for discovery. It's 2024 CR 007970. All right, we'll come back on October 10th. All right. And then what was we're off the record, what was the cause number on the plea, please?
0270 2024 CR 0270.
0270. All right, then I need the other case for 2024 CR 0076. I'm sorry, 7969. Okay. Oh, that's okay. I have 7970 and I have the 0270, which was the plea. That's it. All right, are you all ready on Stephen Ross?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Just have a seat. Are y'all ready on Stephen Ross? And Nora? I'm sorry, Stephen Rose. All right. Can I have a file stamp for a motion to revoke, please? Thank you.
My form member.
Oh, hey, that's okay. Oh, you need a form? Yes. Okay. Is it this one? All right, court is calling 2023 CR 7508, State of Texas versus Stephen John Rose. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state
Andy Westport with the state of Texas.
defense?
Ninfa Gallegos Carrillo.
And are you Stephen John Rose?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Stephen John Rose who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 7508 for the offense of unlawful possession of metal or body armor by a felon on February 12, 2024 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yeah.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 28th day of May 2024, Garrett County, Texas. The defendant, Stephen John Rose, the defendant there failed to submit drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violated condition.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? State,
Your Honor, state waives all the violations.
any objection to the
No
state
object-
waivers?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, it's to follow the TAP recommendation for status followed by aftercare. In addition, there will be monthly UAs and civil support.
All right. Probation, is that probation's recommendation?
Yes, Judge.
All right. And this is what you're in agreement with, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Rose, you know yourself better than I do, better than your attorney do, better than probation does. I'm going to give you a choice because it seems that maybe you're not realizing that your life is not more valuable than smoking marijuana, right? And a lot of people say, it's just marijuana, it's just this. In Texas, marijuana is still illegal unless there is a medical reason for you to take it and you have a prescription. So I'm going to give you a choice. I'm finding violation of condition number 2 true. I can follow the agreement. You'll be going to SATF and you're going to wait until they transfer you to SATF. Or if you would like, I will revoke you and I will sentence you to 3 years in the prison.
No, I'll take the Senate.
Okay.
And Judge,
Yes.
sorry to interrupt, but the state's also to be taken into consideration, clause number 2024, PF 08145.
Okay. Then the court will deny the motion, take in consideration 2024 PF 08145, alternate amend conditions to include the following in custody. SATF, followed by aftercare. And there'll be a referral to felony drug court. And there's to be 120 sober support meetings. And 120 days upon release. And we're gonna do the UA hotline. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else that you need in order to be successful?
I have a question. The Senate would do, and
Yes.
then what did the drug court?
Well, you're gonna be interviewed in felony drug court. If felony drug court accepts you, then that's where you will be going to felony drug court.
Okay.
Felony drug court is a drug program. It's just intensive.
Because I've done that before. I
And
did
it
that.
didn't stick, so
No.
we're gonna make it stick. Here's the thing, you have to realize every time you use, one, it could be the last time you use, and every time you use, you may get caught, and if you get caught by probation, you're looking at 10 years in the prison. This is your chance to get clean and sober. You understand?
Yeah.
So when you think about using, you need to ask yourself, is this worth potentially 10 years in prison? If you think it is, go ahead. You need to ask yourself, maybe the chemist who was working on this failed chemistry that day and didn't show up. And maybe they mixed it incorrectly. Is this worth my life? If the answer is yes, and you want to roll the dice, roll the dice. Sort of like Vegas, you're going to lose at some point. You understand?
I got a wife and daughter to take care of. It's not working.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Have a seat, sir.
Oh, thank you. Oh.
It happens. Who is here on Armando Garcia? Are we ready for Armando Garcia? Michael DeLeon?
Judge. He said that.
All right, I guess this is,
10-8.
all right, thank you. All right. Norma Armando Garcia, 10-8.
Yeah.
All right, are the parties ready on Johnny Tejeda? Yes. I mean, everybody is wearing blue today. There've been a lot of blue suits. Yes, hi.
Your Honor, this is a motion to revoke that has a new number 1 allegation. We do have an agreement. I had 2 witnesses yesterday, and I had our best witness, in my opinion, here this morning. He had to leave because he had to pick up his children. I was hoping we could maybe,
You want him
I would
to
ask,
zoom in?
could we reset it to next Tuesday?
You want him to zoom in? We have Zoom. He can zoom in. Yeah, call him and see if he wants to zoom in. Yeah. All right, step back.
I would rather do it in person.
Let's see if he can zoom in. All right, have a seat. Jordan, let me see. Seth McDonald? Yes. Are y'all ready? Okay. Did I see the file on Selena Lamone? Oh, I haven't read my text messages. Let me see. Norma? What text message?
I don't know what. We don't. I chocolate 3, it's 2 or 3. I know. She can always give you 2. And he was so. This is the one he read. Very close to. How about you, bro? Oh, wow.
Bashan, could you come here for a moment, please? And Bashan, I'm gonna forward that to you, so you'll just have the information.
Okay, thank you. She has to go pick up herself from school. Do we need to ask her to come back or? Hey, Judge.
Yes.
That Monica Wade,
I'm sorry, who?
Monica Wade,
Yes.
she needs to go pick up her son from school. So we're just trying to figure out, is her lawyer coming back or?
Now, Norma, do you have an update on her attorney?
Given what you're doing. That's my.
For what date? Okay. All right, Thursday.
Come back on Thursday.
All right, he'll be back. He'll be here on Thursday. All right, you're welcome.
It's a lot of your. Yes.
All right, and what is happening downstairs? Have you all completed jury selection?
We did this.
Oh,
We
wow.
will be starting tomorrow at 9:30. Testimony. I don't know the courtroom just yet, but I know where. I know it's tomorrow. Okay.
All right, Robbins.
Should we call them, Judge?
Yes. Yes.
So, we're notifying the court that my advocate has informed me that we received the records from Sheriff's PD. We will be providing the records to defense today. They'll be uploaded on e-discovery, so that way they have access.
So you have all of the records.
All of them. I haven't reviewed them myself. I can just say that they received them in the city.
And there's nothing else outstanding?
Not that I'm aware of. So we would ask the court to grant a continuance under the grounds that we just have to provide new evidence to the defense that we recently were told existed with the Department of Justice.
Do you want to continue it?
Yes, Judge, we do. This is the primary investigator of the case. We know that there have been sustained findings that she has used personal use of police power, ethical misconduct.
Well, I mean,
dishonesty,
let me stop you right there. All right, we're not gonna put all of that out there until I have something before me, because otherwise people just repeating what they've heard as
Yes,
opposed to presiding me with facts. So,
Well, we know we have the sustained findings, and that's what we've been waiting on the report for.
mhm.
It's our primary investigator. She's did the search warrants on the case. She provided the information that led to the indictment on this case. She
Okay,
interviewed.
now, I mean, here's the thing. I understand what everybody's saying. I don't need the,
Oh, I'm sorry,
Well,
Judge.
thanks, yeah. no problem.
I've been thinking about it all day, Judge.
All right,
I appreciate your
But I
time.
tell you what, I will let you, you know what, I'm gonna let you, I already know what my decision is gonna be. But if you want to put your argument on the record, I'll let you put your argument on the record.
I would defer to you, Judge. We need a continuance. We're not ready. The state's not ready.
Okay. All right, Ms. Ferguson. Can this trial be set in October? All right, October 8th.
Judge, if I hate to ask you, but we're free for trial on the 21st, the week of the 21st and the 28th. We have I think we have 3 settings on October 8th in different counties. Oh, we don't?
Oh, yeah, sorry, sir, what's your name?
I'm sorry, I'm Chris Choate. I'm co-counsel on this.
Thank you so much for saying that. No, you don't.
You can be straight. That's what I believe, John.
Right. Oh, no problem. I'm just joking. All right, Norma. You say October 8th. All right, if you'll give them a reset form, October 8th, this is going.
Thank you, Judge.
All right,
Appreciate
thank
your
you.
time. Thank you.
You're welcome. And I need a new acknowledgement of discovery.
Yes.
And then just make sure that he's on there.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yes, I do. All right, just give me one moment. Let me put this in the system.
And mine's also.
All right, Cunningham,
Yes, Judge.
bring your client up.
Well,
All right, were you able to confer with Michael Villarreal?
I did, Judge.
All right, so where are we?
We did not reach an agreement.
Okay. And thank you. You always dress appropriately for court. I really appreciate that. I don't think people understand sometimes how difficult it was to get your clients to dress appropriately, but
I'm
he's,
shocked sometimes the way they come in.
yeah.
But
not Mr. Cunningham.
Oh, no, he always dressed great and wears a suit and tie. All right. So this case was sent to impact and another trial went to trial instead of your case. So on this case, do y'all have all discovery?
I believe we do, yes.
Do we know for sure there's no discovery that's coming down, some cell phone dump?
Cell phone dump for this case, not to my knowledge. I can happy to double check, but that does not ring any bells for this case.
All right, because lately I've been getting,
Last minute
cell phone.
emergency requests. I don't anticipate that.
Right, no
happening.
issues with police officers who did search warrants.
Search warrant. Are you talking, and I apologize, just because I'm coming in after picking up.
Oh, no.
It's just endemic, you're talking about the whole process.
Yes, so
Oh,
we're
no.
sure there's no
Search-
search warrant with regards to an officer who has some issues.
I don't believe so. Are you trying to tell me something though?
No, I'm not trying to tell you.
That's what I'm asking. I'm like, should I be picking up something?
No. I'm not throwing anything down for anybody to pick up. But the reason why I'm asking that is because we just had that case.
Mm.
And then all of a sudden they discover there's an issue with an officer from another county. So I want to make sure there's nothing like that in this case. And there's no cell phone dump or any other information so there's no outside.
There's no way for me to be 100%
No,
sure of
yeah.
what I don't have, but I don't anticipate any issues coming up.
All right, and there's no outside agency, a different county.
For this is a relatively, I think, thankfully straightforward matter. Council's been very communicative. We've conferred off docket a few times.
Okay.
So to the best of my knowledge, council, unless you disagree, this is one that I think is relatively, Judge, straightforward.
All right, I'm just making sure.
Absolutely, Judge.
And I'm not basing this on anything that either you have done. It's just sometimes there's something that comes up and then I have to make sure.
Absolutely. Thank you, sir.
Okay. All right, how long do y'all expect this trial will last?
Outside of jury selection, Judge, maybe 2 days.
I agree. 2 days in addition, and then on top of jury selection.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, jury trial date, family violence, 3 days. And last time we were here, you said that you had a witness. Oh, that was on another case. You had a civil case and a witness was flying in from
That's right.
Mexico. Okay,
That's why you excused me yesterday.
yes.
Yes, Judge. Thank
All
you.
right, what date? November when? All right, it will be November 5th.
Yes,
That will be your
Judge.
jury trial.
Thank you, Norman.
That's the election day, but you're all right with that?
Oh, you know what? I do not, Norma. On November 5th? All right, we'll just keep it on November 5th. If people need to leave to go vote, of course, I'll give people time to vote. But everybody should early vote.
Yes. so
You know
many
what?
days.
I like an early voting to going to see a movie. People always act as though they have to see it at night. And guess what? The movie they show at night, that's the same movie they show during the daytime.
Absolutely. I'll take
And
that.
I go, I'll go to the theater in the daytime and you know who's usually in the theater? Like maybe 4 people, me and 3 other senior citizens.
And all to yourself.
Oh, all to myself. It's like I have my own private theater in my house. So it's
I love it,
great.
Judge.
All right,
Thank you,
well,
Judge.
you're welcome. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Selena Lamone. Norma, who is the attorney on Selena Lamone and where are they?
That's the one where I talked to.
Okay,
She's actually,
is she in custody?
she's in TBC, Eagle County, like 20 years.
All right, so what I'll do is I'm gonna recall this then. Let's recall it for. You want to recall it? Jason, do you want to recall Selena Lamone? My understanding she's in prison. You want to call her for September 30th?
Yeah, Judge, I'm sorry, we were looking at that.
Yeah. No problem.
I did talk to Norman about it earlier, and I talked to, I think, Judge Acevedo about it.
Okay.
And we're looking into like possibly taking care of that.
All right, so you want to recall it for September 30th or you need more time?
No, that'd be fun.
All right, Norma, we'll recall it for September 30th.
You put further something that's like that was forwarded for judge. I just need a reset date. We wait for it to be set for trial. I don't think that's gonna happen. Yeah, we'll for it.
Hold on. Can I have this electronic? Thank you.
All right, and Norma, on this case with Selena Lamone, she requested in letter that she be allowed to attend by Zoom or something. Can you set up an appointment with the prison and see if they do Zoom at this prison or either just have her by phone?
They just have it by phone. They can't do, is it-
All right, if you can have her by phone. Luis Beltran? Who's the attorney for Luis Beltran?
Me.
All right, come down.
To go through the consulate to get over here.
You're on this side. Counsel, you're over here.
Thought I'd just mix it up a little bit.
Deputies don't like when people mix it up. And you know, people ask me, why are we standing over here now? I said, because the deputies are assigned to security and that's where they want you.
I think this is good advertising. I'm closer.
You're closer?
So, yeah, just
And what is your name, by the way?
Arlene Gay.
And are you a defense attorney?
Yes.
All right. So on this case, the plea deadline date was September 3rd, but we brought him back today because there were some other issues with that date.
Yes, Your Honor, and we have one more issue we need to work out of a sensitive nature.
Okay, all right, just 1 second. See, you and I couldn't be on that show, but Jason and I could be on it. And I would say, Rose. I'll be like, Rose. And he'd say like, Titanic.
Yeah.
All right, Norma, what date? 30 days, please.
I can make it happen.
All right, we'll see you back on October 10th, Mr. Beltran. Do you have any questions?
Thank you a lot.
All right, thank you.
Still need to talk.
Judge,
Yes.
I think some of the things are potentially resolving. Your prosecutors are back.
Yes, but we're afraid of Salinas, we need an interpreter. So I need that. Johnny Tejeda?
Wrong school though. Wrong school, who picks Dewey?
So Judge, I made contact with the witness. He was driving, he was in his car with his kids. He wouldn't be in a position until,
Norma, recall this back on September 12th.
Judge, I've got like a murder case in Eagle Pass set on that day and the 186th and something else. Can we do next Tuesday?
All right, Norma, we can do September 12th at 1:30. All right.
Fair. Thank you, Your Honor.
And that's Johnny Tejeda?
How you feeling?
Say it out loud.
I'm doing great.
Did I miss you?
After Monday, that's right. I just like got out and just go, you know. We've been having this
All right, Norma, you got,
Will William Salazar
yeah.
just tested positive like today, but I was negative on Sunday.
Seth McDonald? Yes. All right, y'all have 2 minutes. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
So Thursday at 1:30. Yes, he is. Okay, appreciate it.
Oh, no, the uncle was. All right, Juan Arambala. Johnny, you were always so patiently waiting.
I have a book, sometimes I read.
What are you reading?
I'm reading Fables by Aesop.
I love Aesop fables.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
My bad. Yeah, that's the DA.
All right, so did you want to get a chance to confer with Zach and confer with Michael?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so this is still going to be jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. How long?
This case, I don't expect to be longer than 3 days outside of jury selection.
I think he's about right with that, Judge.
But you will not be with us. He's not gonna be here, so it'll be maybe raining.
I mean, actually.
Yeah. So it will be someone, we don't know who.
Time will tell, right?
Norma, I need a jury trial date. 3 days. November 5th.
Is there anything the week after that, Norma?
Yeah.
Or is it?
No, that's family law.
Okay.
So anybody who wants to vote, you need to probably early vote, or either you'll be able to vote during your lunch break. But on election day, I don't even think, you can't vote downstairs.
Judge, we'll take November 5th, Judge. I'll make it work.
Thank you so much for dressing appropriately. You always do. I appreciate that. And thank you for your patience today. As you can see, it's been very busy. All right. All right. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused and there's no outstanding discovery.
This is also a case similar to Mr. Cunningham, but I believe is more straightforward than not. With respect to the contours.
All right. No phone downloads or anything. See, they're here to be discussed. No phone, cell dumps.
No, none of that, Judge.
Anything else?
So I believe, well, council mentioned, I believe I already gave them a copy of CPS records because I usually keep track of those. I believe I've already just given them a copy of the records, but I think they'd like additional copy and I'm happy to do that. It's not me that does it, but I will make sure that ball is rolling today.
That's our only additional request, and Zach has been very communicative the whole time. We've had an open line of communication, both parties.
If you're gonna participate, you gotta get in and participate.
He just overload the gallery. He just got his law license in April, so
Congratulations.
he's not new to the game. He's helped us with several
So he's
trials.
gonna be first chair of this.
Plan.
You're ready to go?
Yes, Judge.
Let's, Norman, bring that jury up.
Never mind, never mind.
Okay. He's like, wait a minute, what? No, you need to be like, I'm ready.
So just, yeah, so very easy.
All right, well, will this be your first felony trial?
We did one other one in the 290th that I kind of helped out on third sharing, picking the jury,
It,
but
it was an impact docket, and we sat before Raymond Angelini, so that was quite an experience.
I'm sure jury selection went fairly quickly.
very
All right, on this one, I'm thinking 10 minutes for each side.
We'd ask for an hour at least, Judge,
You
please.
know, it's like, I know her, she won't be doing that. But, all right, well, welcome. Will this be your first felony trial that's your first chair?
it could be, Your Honor.
All
Could.
right, well, congratulations on passing the bar. Welcome to the practice.
Appreciate it, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Once you sign a reset form, you're excused. And if there is any outstanding discovery or any motions that need to be heard, bring them to me before the event.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
All right, thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
I don't mind.
All right, Seth McDonald. Interpreter here. All right, we have the interpreter. We'll take up the interpreter.
Somewhere.
Hello. Hi. You have Wilfredo Salinas. He is right there in the tan t-shirt.
I've already caught up on that. Thank you very much. Let's scan like a room.
All right, hi. All right, how long do y'all expect this trial to last?
It should be, defense assumes about 2 days, including the state and, plus the extra time for, jury selection.
All right, so, but if Judge Angelini is selecting this trial, a day, okay. And are you all okay, are you okay with putting it on the 17th? All right, Norma. Wilfredo Salinas, September 17th.
And
This
we'll,
month or next month?
This month.
and jurisdiction for the 17th around 9 AM?
Yes.
Okay, understood.
And if he wants to be dressed in something else, then you all will have to do a clothing exchange.
Understood, Your Honor.
All right, thank
All
you.
right, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Good to see you.
Pleasure to see you. May I be excused?
I'm sorry, what?
We might need you one more time.
Oh, we may need you one more time.
Mejia, Juan Mejia.
Okay.
His attorney never showed up. but he
All right, can I
also
see
got a
the-
speaker.
All right, can I see the file on Juan Mejia? All right, let's bring him down.
Mejia?
Thank you. I know. I worked really hard for this one.
Adrian, do you
Yeah.
speak Spanish?
I speak enough to get by today, Judge.
All right, just say that.
Sure.
All right, Mr. Mejia, have you seen your attorney? Have you ever had contact with your attorney?
No.
All right, do you wish to have another attorney appointed to you? I know that yes, ma'am is not in Spanish.
Oh, no.
See?
I speak English.
Okay.
Oh, wow. All right. Are you a citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, awesome. And let me just tell you, I mean no disrespect when I ask that question, but usually be on safe side. When anybody needs an interpreter, I always ask that question so that your rights can be protected if you're not a US citizen, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Thank you.
Hi. Good night.
All right, thank you. Oh, yeah, it says Spanish. All right, Norma. Adrian. All right, just have a seat. This is going to be your attorney, Adrian Pettis.
Meet you, sir. I'll be right with you, okay? Thank you. Mejia, he said?
It is Juan Carlos Mejia.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
5-year-old, the 12-year-old. Is that possible if I call you tomorrow?
Norma, can you give me the rest of the files?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Oh, this is it?
Doing plea paperwork for Randy birthday.
All right. All right, I think. State on criminal trial division, did you all dismiss Fernando Serrato?
Oh, no, I haven't.
All right, that's 2024-6591.
6591?
Yes.
Yes, Judge. I have it right here.
All right, thank you. Yeah. This was dismissed. All right, Daniel Chapa is that same guy, Mastias. And so that's being reset for 10-10. Okay. Eldridge, Greg, Wright. Let me see what page he is on. Norma, is Greg Wright on the docket? I have a Greg Eldridge Wright.
He's on the recall.
Oh, he wasn't supposed to be brought over. He's found incompetent. All right, Norma, on this one, because of the nature of the offense, they're going to send him to the state hospital. Let's recall this in January. What date? All right, we'll put it for January 30th. All right, Seth McDonald. Where did he go? Is he outside calling? All right. And Norma, you got the email. No jurors will be available the week of January 6th. Okay. All right, thank you.
I did something about the 13th. I was trying to read it.
Oh, it's just that the 13th is the first time they'll be able to have jurors. Hello, all right. What's happening? All right, I'll get. Okay. All right, the parties on James Brandyburg. Court is calling 2024 CR 4089, State of Texas versus James Brandyburg. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Adrian Pettis for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Brandyburg? Yes, ma'am. Counsel, have you received all of the discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Brandyburg, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? All right, Mr. Brandyburg, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
You understand you're charged with violation of registration as a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Brandyburg, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, I am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 3 years in the prison. The state is opposed to your application for community supervision, and they are opposed to your application for deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea? Did you review the document entitled waiver of appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No, no contest.
State any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
No objections.
All right. Mr. Brandyberg, did you review the document entitled wavering consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing, or do you wish to have a reset?
I'd like to have a reset for a PSI judge, and he's asking me to get copies of his medical records if I can from various sources. And I was hoping you would give me a generous amount of time to get that done. He's not in any hurry for the sentencing to take
Oh, well,
place.
they'll tell me usually there's a generous amount because of the length of time it takes for the PSI. Because there's a lot that goes into it. So Ms. Ferguson, when will we do the PSI?
October 28th.
Oh,
Yes.
that'd be wonderful, Judge. Thank you.
All right, so your sentencing will take place on October 28th, and I'll consider any evidence that's presented to me. We'll order a PSI and a TAP evaluation. And we're off the record. Counsel, are you appointed?
Yes,
Do you need an investigator to help locate records?
that might help quite a bit, Judge.
All right, if you'll just file the motion, I will sign it.
Thank you. Thank you
All
so
right,
much.
thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, James, I'll see you October 28th.
All right, Seth McDonald.
That we've accepted a date offer. Raymond just stepped out. We want to get paperwork started, but
Page 5.
I don't know if, I don't know which prosecutor's name, I'm sorry.
Oh.
He's able to do the paperwork.
Right, just, it might be right out.
Yes.
Maybe.
All right, for
Yeah.
But the judge, he's in jail, he has to get transported out.
Oh, yeah, that's one thing.
Oh.
You gotta ask.
You have to ask.
No, it needs to be done before 5:30, 5:15. My goodness.
We just, yeah,
He does.
Yeah.
We just haven't done anything to amuse me.
Oh, thank you.
Otherwise, it's die.
We don't want the death. No.
Oh, I'm excited to have banana pudding.
I cannot believe you're still thinking about strawberry banana pudding.
Yes. I'm still waiting for that. I love it. I think it would be really yummy.
Well, the person you need to ask that of is Zach and Hank.
I mean, I'll make my regular banana
It'll
pudding.
be at the end of this.
Did John Young ever return to sign
No, I
these?
still have not Harrison, the text message. Copy the text me.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I mean, his birthday's on Thursday, Judge, the 12th.
Hey,
He will not be here Thursday or Friday, Monday or Tuesday.
is he going to Egypt?
Oh, maybe we should do it on Wednesday, though. No, we can do it on Tuesday, because y'all did it when I was on my birthday.
Somebody didn't tell us they had something scheduled for you.
Oh.
She was out of town. You're funny.
Yeah.
All right, so everyone, we'll be back on Thursday. And then if y'all need a courtroom, this is a courtroom that you have for trial.
Judge, I'll tell you what, I may leave this place physically. I don't leave it mentally. I'm in this courtroom. Okay?
It's gonna haunt this court.
Wait, say it again?
Are you gonna haunt the court?
You bet, Judge. Well, haunt in a positive way.